It's gonna be Onyx Indonesia advancing to the next stage of MSC 2025. You know what time it is? Hands in. Sa totoo lang, siguro kinabahan ng konti. Or medyo slow start nga yung Onyx ID kanina. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano nangyari. Based on what they're saying, like the panelists, nandun sila ngayon. Susunod pa kasi kami. Pero yan, nandyan sila. Ang sabi nila na it was like a draft lapse. And it was immediately answered afterwards. Pagdating ng games 2 and 3, which were dominating victories at that. I would say Cambodia has a shot, pero hindi na naulit. Yun pala yung importante. Hindi na naulit kung ano man yung nangyari last year with See You Soon and Onyx Esports. Kasi kung maaalala natin dati, di ba, nagharap din ng Cambodia versus Indonesia. And I think See You Soon is one of the main reasons kung bakit hindi nakapasok ang Onyx ID sa knockout stage. They don't want that to be the same reason for this year again. Kasi CFU yung nakalaban nila. So with that being said, CFU Gaming is gonna be going down to the lower bracket para makaharap ang Ultra Legends ng MENA, habang ang Team Liquid Philippines naman ay makakalaban ng Onyx Indonesia probably this Friday.